Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido with Huawei Nova 3i charger port replacement guide. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Let's start it by removing the back cover. Heat gently around the phone until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, you can use a heat gun, heat pad or hair dryer. Carefully work through on sides. Once you feel the heating is enough, insert a plastic cutpipe tool and slowly cut the adhesive around. In between, you can use a suction cup to lift the back cover. While you are taking out the back cover, be gentle. The Touch ID sensor is attached to the back cover. To unplug the Touch ID, move the rear cover to the left hand side and remove the metal shield by undoing two screws. Unplug the connector and remove the back cover. For charging port replacement, first disconnect the battery connector. Then it needs to take out the charge port protector frame on the bottom. And for this, needs to undo 6 screws. Apply little heat to soften the adhesive on the charging board and then using a tweezer, lift it. Replace the new charging board. Make sure it seats in order and connect the main flex cable connector and antenna. Now add the charge port protector frame and insert all 6 screws back. Also, do not forget to connect the battery plug. Finally, we can add the main back cover with the Touch ID sensor. Connect the Touch ID and insert 2 screws with the metal shield. Just make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.